For tonight's gig, we are back at the good old Bushwackers. The band is going to be a country variety band. They're actually really good. I've seen them a few times. And this is going to be my home for the night, so let's get her all set up. Oh man, this screen is dusty. Good thing I have a scarf, or dust cloth. This band has already played here before, and Matt built the scene and he's a really good sound engineer, so I'm just gonna load his scene and use that as my starting point for tonight. Alright, now it's safe to fire up those amps. Taking a look at their stage plot so I can make sure I get everything in the correct place and the inputs are alright. Okay, it's time to start hooking stuff up. The monitors we're using tonight are the EV EKX12s, and the drummer gets a 15-inch one. A little bit more low end, they seem to like that better. Going to use an analog snake, and the numbers can be kind of hard to read on these. This one's actually etched inside the metal there. What's cool about this one is there's a rubber separator on there, and they're already in order, so you can just plug them in quickly. Tonight's band requested some extra lights on the stage, so I'm gonna start loading that stuff up now. Busting out the haze machine tonight, which will make those lights pop even more. The lights we're using tonight are the Chauvet Intimidators. They're fun little movers, they'll add some energy. To run the extra lights, I'll be using an iPad with Luminair, and then a DMX controller, which is running straight into the wireless. Yeah, that's a fun addition to the show for sure. Well, now that that's all done, I'm just waiting for the band, just double checking all my channels to make sure they're all set correctly. Band has arrived. So this guy will be playing a electric guitar, a banjo, and a steel guitar. It's gonna be running the electric through the box amp, and everything else is gonna go through this Fender amp. The other guitarist has several acoustic guitars, and he's going to be running through the Fender amp, which is running direct by XLR. I really like the look of these drums, and that logo looks really good on that head. He's using a Roland electric kit to do sample sounds. The bass player is playing through an amp and cab that I'm unfamiliar with. Here's the keys. He's using some sort of sample pad, and he must be getting tones from his MacBook. First I've seen this. Of course, you can't have a lead singer without a tambourine. Alright, here's my workstation one more time. I've got iPads, I've got the M32, I've got a light console, and I have my extra iPad that I load up some stuff I want to get to quickly. Check out their set list so I can be familiar with anything that I want to do with for effects. And let's start the show. Just kidding, let's learn how to line dance instead. Hey, check it out, my camera actually focused on the sign this time. And you can't be a sound guy without having a problem right before the show. These lights started freaking out, and I couldn't find any extra DMX cables quickly, so I'm gonna use this XLR. You're not supposed to use XLR because they are a different cable, but a lot of times they'll work in a pinch. Success! Everybody's starting to roll in. It's pretty cold outside, so we'll see how big of a crowd we get tonight. The band's starting to get ready. I'm ready. Let's get this show on the road. I'll be wearing a lot of hats tonight, but my priority is sound, but I'll be jumping back and forth between all my workstations.
Don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Let it be me.
Wait, where'd the singer go? Oh, there she is. She's line dancing. Having an extra layer of lights I needed to worry about at first was a little tough, but after a while it just became second nature and it is actually a lot of fun. And what felt like a blink of an eye, the show was over and it was time to start wrapping up and packing everything up. I like to start with microphones because they're small and it's easy for the band to be confused if they're theirs or ours. And if somebody were to take an XLR, you're not out that much, but if they take a microphone, you're probably out $100 to $200. The band did really good tonight and they were really easy to work with. Well, this is the aftermath of when I unhook everything and don't take the cables. It's fun. Well, one foot in front of the other, start one cable at a time. If you're liking this video so far, please hit me with a like and subscribe. I am super close to being monetized, and that'll allow me to make even more of these fun videos. Remember kids, always lift with your back. Wait, that's not right. That's a wrap. Thank you for joining me in this video. Looking forward to making some more videos, and I hope to see you there.